Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to play FM radio without any cable in POCO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to click on Play Store and then you have to download one app, and here you have to write FM radio. Then you have to download this app. I show you, here it is. You have to download this Radioly, then click on India. You can choose, there are lots of countries radio. Click on India, and here are the most popular radios. You can see, you have to just simply click on it, and you can see friends, it is playing. This is how you can play without any cable wirelessly. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.